Well, today I'm going to take a look at the mothership. We had a small problem when we were camping over the summer at our annual camp, and we ended up having a big leak in the back. I had city water hooked up into the inline, and it just gushed out the back. So I don't know if it's a problem with the inlet. It might have blown a line because of too much water pressure, or if it's my holding tank. Hopefully it's just a line blown from too much pressure. Mattress off the back bed, and hopefully remove that access panel, remove these. This is it after I get the bedding, the wood frame off. Leaking from up here. There's some lines coming down. As you can see, it's just about fucking impossible, excuse my language, to get my fat hands up here, or even right here. I'm just looking up there at those three lines coming down. I've got the interior torn apart, and we'll see what's going on. I'm going to put some plumber's tape on that inlet for the city water and then reseal that. It doesn't look like it was leaking from there. Trace the line. Well, there's three lines that go out there. They're caulked and sealed. Those are the three lines that come out. So I'm going to troubleshoot a little bit and come back with hopefully a solution. We're all open. As you hear the pressure there, these lines, come to find out it was a simple fix, thank goodness. Those three lines are my drain lines for when I winterize the motorhome. So there's no leaks, there's no bad sure flow bladder pump, no holding tank leaks, and I'm gonna tighten that city inlet line up and put some plumber's tape on there. Finishing the last piece of plywood. I'll give you a recap in just a second. No leaks, and the pump's not continuously running. Okay, there's another project done. In my angst at our annual family camp at Forester, actually, I should have a video out there either now or at some point, there was a line that blown loose from the city line connection. I had anticipated that those three valves I showed you earlier needed to be open. I was incorrect. So I opened the other two thinking that the holding tank water had to go through the lines. Those three lines were our drain valves for the mothership, and I think I learned a very important lesson. Next time, just don't touch anything, troubleshoot the problem at hand instead of trying to fix a number of problems that I thought I saw. So that was an easy, free solution to our leaking water in the back, and a valuable lesson learned. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I didn't bore you too much with the assembly of the bed, and it's quite tedious taking everything apart to get to the plumbing, but in the long run the plumbing's all secured inside the rig. So therefore, when you're traveling in colder months, as hot as you keep it inside, as warm as you keep it inside, it should prevent any type of line breakage. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching us at Dark Nest Travels. Come back for more. Like, share, subscribe, you name it. We're going to provide the content for you every step of the way.